My name is Coriee. Welcome to my channel. If you didn't know, now you know. Welcome back, everyone. I decided to do a skincare routine. I got a little few things, but we'll be talking about that later in the video. Like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I would love for you guys to watch more and stay tuned for more. Morning and at night. But I use raw apple cider vinegar. I use the witch hazel. And I use, well, I don't got the package, but it's Dove soap. I use Dove soap to wash. I use Dove soap to wash my face, and then once I get done washing my face with the Dove soap, I rinse it off, and I use the apple cider vinegar, but I dilute it with water. Always dilute it with water, because then it'll burn your face, and you don't want that feeling. And then I go over the apple cider vinegar and I use the witch hazel for it. And I forgot what this little face mask is called. Premier. It's refining facial peeling mask. But I put a picture. Yeah, I put a picture of it somewhere in here in the video so you can actually see it. I had that for a minute now. But I use that on and off because you only supposed to use it like, I think, once a week. Oh, and I also have cotton balls too, because I use the cotton balls for the apple cider vinegar and the witch hazel. I'm really oily, so I use the apple cider vinegar to dry out my skin because I get oily right here and right up here. I think it's called T-zone, the T-zone. But I get really oily. But lately, since I've been using this method, I haven't been oily right in there. But we'll see more in the summertime though, because in the summertime that's when I really get oily. Now I'm about to rinse this soap off. Little scooper thingy to where I can wipe it on my face, but I don't know where this went. But it's clear. You obviously see that. But
do it like this. Put it on there like this. See, it's turning a little white. It's getting this. Excuse me, it's getting the dry skin off. That was left on there, I should say. Left on my skin. But I only use this once a week. So since I used it this today, Monday, see? Since I used this today, I won't be using this until next Monday. Ew. Now all this little white stuff, skin, dead skin, I'm going to rinse it off. And that's when I go back in with the apple cider vinegar and water.
See, I don't use the apple cider vinegar like that either because it do something weird to my skin. But it works. So I don't use it so much. I usually really just wash, like in the morning I wash my face with the Dove soap. And then I'll go in with the witch hazel. But it's really at nighttime when I use the apple cider vinegar. All done. Now I gotta rinse my face with cold water. I rinse my face with cold water to close my pores. So my pores won't be open. So it won't get dirty again. Well, that dirty I should say again. routine been working perfectly fine for me. It might not work for everybody else, but you can still try it. And you gotta be consistent, cause it won't work if you don't do it consistently. At least the apple cider vinegar every night for consistency. But for just washing it regularly, of course you're supposed to do it consistently. Well, oof. Well, I'm done. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe once again. I'm telling you again, just so you can get the same little routine. But thank you for watching my skincare routine. Oh, my nose shiny now. But if you like more, stay tuned for more videos. Thank you, thank you, thank you.